Hello, my dear lovely children. I hope you are safe and fine at home. This is Sharon, your EVS teacher, and today I am back with the notes of one of your lesson. That is lesson number 10, keeping healthy and clean. Akshata ma'am has done the lesson, but I will help you to write the notes because I know you found it very difficult to write the notes of the lesson of family, right? So today I will teach you how you have to write your EVS notes, and then after that you can continue writing. You can write along with me while you are watching the video. You can keep your book and write, or else you can learn and then write. Okay, so shall we begin? Yes. You have written the notes of family. You have written words to learn and you have written 2 question and answer. So that is the notes of family. Now in your same notebook, you have to open a new page. You will be opening a new page, and in the new page, you will write on the first line. First line, not above the line, but on the first 4 lines. Your EVS notebook is having all 4 lines, right? So, on the first line, you will write the heading. No need of writing the number of the lesson. Just write the heading. How I have written, right? Keeping healthy and clean. So, write the heading neatly and keep it. Okay? Then, we will begin with the words to learn. Words to learn, you will begin from the next line. You wrote the heading, right? So below that, the next line, you will write words to learn. Let's begin. We start writing on the 4-line book. We start writing from the 3rd line. We start writing from the 3rd line. And now we are starting W. So W is tick down, right? Tick down. So we start from the first line, W, words, W, then O. From the last 3rd line, O, tick up. Yes, write with me, W, O, R, D, S, words. Big letter W, then O, R, D, S, words. 2, T, O, 2, T, O, 2, T, O, 2, words to learn, learn, L, tick up L, then E, A, R, N, L, E, A, R, N. Words to learn. Finish writing? Okay. Now, after this, come to the next line. We begin with the words. The first word is clean. Clean. Start with C. C. Tick up C. Yeah. Then from here you join L, E, A. From the tail of A you join N. Clean. C, L, E, A, N. Clean, right? C, L, E, A, N. Finish? Okay. Let's go to the next word, that is comb. Next word is comb. Again it begins with C. Tick up, go up, take a curve, come down. From the tail of C you begin O, tick up, take a curve, come down, join, have a small knot, and from the knot of O you begin M, tick down M. And from the tail of M, you go to B. Comb. C-O-M-B. 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 Comb. All the letters, all the words you will write down. See, this board has no place. I cannot write down, right? But in your book there is place to write. You have sufficient lines. I am shifting this side, but you will write down. You don't shift the page. In the same page you will write down. The words you will write down. So first word is clean. Second word is comb. Let's go to the third word, that is bath. We take bath. We'll begin with B from the third line. Tick up, go up like L, come down, take a cup, and from the knot you join A. From the tail of A you start T. From the tail of T you start H. Bath. B-A-T-H. Bath. B-A-T-H. Bath. Finish? Yes. Let's go to the next word that you have to write in the next line. That is meal. Meal. What is meal? You eat meal, right? Meal. We begin with M. M is always tick down. From the second line we begin. Tick down M. Then 2 cups down. 2 cups. And from the tail of M we take E. From the tail of E we take A. And then L. Meal. M-E-A-L. Meal. M-E-A-L. Meal. So you wrote 4 words. You wrote all the words down. Meal. Again, I am going to shift to the other side of the board. But where are you going to write? You are going to write in the next line. The next word is healthy. Healthy. We begin from the third line. We begin H. H. E. And from the tail of E we begin A. Yes, from the tail of A, L. Then we have T. Then we have H and Y. Healthy. H E A L T H Y. Healthy. H E A L T H Y. Healthy. Let's go to the next word, that is water. Water. We drink plenty of water. So where do you write that word? You write it in the next line. Water. W, tick down W. 2 open cups and a knot. From the knot you go to write A. W, A. Then we have T. T. E. And R. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. So we wrote how many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. Last one is water. Now let's go to the next word. You wrote water. Below that, in the next line, you will write the next word, that is exercise. Exercise. Let's write. Begin with E. Tick up, go up, and a C. E. Come down. Then we write X. From the tail of E, we begin X. X. EX, again E. Then we have R, exercise, C, I, S, E, exercise, E, X, E, R, C, I, S, E, exercise. Let's go to the next word. Where will you write it? Next line. It is sick. Sick. S. Begin with S. Tick up. One knot and a pot formation. S. From the tail of S you go up for I and C and K. Sick. S I C K. Sick. S I C K. Sick. Let's go to the next word which we'll write in the next line. That is nails. Nails. Tick down. N. One cup down. And from the tail of N, A, I, L, S, N, A, I, L, S, nails. Let's go to the next one. That is the last one. I know you don't have place to write in that page, right? Now go to the next page. Next page, from the first line we begin. The last word, that is habit. Habit. H, H, A, B, B. From the knot of B, I, T. Habit. H, A, B, I, T. Habit. H, A, B, I, T. Habit. So we have written 10 words. We have written 10 words. Now let's move to the question and answers. Question and answers, I will tell you how to write, but I will not go letter by letter how I taught you words, but I will write the words. You have to copy it. Okay? I'll tell you how to write and then you will copy it. Now, after writing the words, next line. Go to the next line and write answer the following. Answer the following. Begin with capital A. Answer. A, N, S, W, E, R. Answer. A, N, S, W, E, R. Answer the. T, H, E. Answer the following. F, O, L, again L, O, W, I, N, G. Following. F, O, L, L, O, W, I, N, G. Answer the following. Let's move to the first question. So after you write answer the following, go to the next line and outside the margin write number 1. Write number 1. Outside the margin you will write number 1. Okay, and then begin the question. Whenever we begin the question, we begin it with a capital letter, right? We begin it with a capital letter, and the question is, when do we brush our teeth? So we'll start W capital for when. W capital, W. Then H, we begin with small letter, H, E, N. W, H, E, N, when. Next word is do. D, O, do. D, O, do. Next word is we. W, W, E, we. W, E, we. Then brush, brush. B, R, U, S, H. Brush. B, R, U, S, H. Brush. Now this board is big. I have place, so I am continuing to write. But I know you can't write in the same line, so you can continue the question in the next line. But I am writing because I have place. You don't have place in your text, in your notebook. If you have place, you write. If there is no place, you can continue the question in the next line. When do we brush our our teeth. T, E, T, H. Teeth. T, E, T, H. Teeth. And whenever we write a question, we end it with a question mark, right? With a question mark. I know you don't know how to write a question mark. Just look how to write a question mark. You just make a curve like this, come down, and one dot. One curve, come down, and a dot. It's a question mark. It always ends, a question always ends with a question mark. Now, question is over. We go to the answer. When do we brush our teeth? We brush our teeth twice a day, right? Morning and evening, twice a day we brush our teeth. So, let's write the answer. We begin the answer in the next line. We begin the answer in the next line. So, outside the margin you will write A, capital A, which says answer. And we begin. And when we begin the answer as well, we begin it with the capital letter, because we are beginning a new sentence, right? So, W is capital here. We brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Our. O-U-R. Our. O-U-R. Our. O-U-R. Our. Teeth. T-E-E-T-E-T-H. Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Again, I am continuing, but you don't have place. You have to write it in the next line. We brush our teeth twice. T-W-I-C-E. Twice. T-W-I-C-E. Twice Is nothing but a single letter A. Twice a day. Day. D-A-Y. Day. D-A-Y. Day. And we end it with a full stop. We end an answer with a full stop. We end an answer with a full stop. Let's go to the next answer, our next question. Okay. Now we wrote one question answer. Let's go to the next one. Leave one line. After you finish one question answer, leave one line, then go to the next line, and outside the margin you will write number 2. Number 2. Second question answer. So second question is, what keeps our body fit? What keeps our body fit? Like I told that time, we begin with capital W. W. What is the spelling of what? W-H-A-T. What? W-H-A-T. What keeps? K-E, again E. So K-E-E-P-S. Keeps. K-E-E-P-S. What keeps? Our. O-U-R. Our. O-U-R. Our. I am continuing to write, but if you don't have place, what will you do? You will write it in the next line. But now I am writing because I have place. What keeps our body? B-O-D-Y. Body. B-O-D-Y. Body. Fit. F-I-T. Fit. F-I-T. Fit. What keeps our body fit? And question mark. Question mark. Now answer we begin with the next line, right? We begin on the next line. Outside the margin A. Answer A. What keeps our body fit? Exercise keeps our body fit. Exercise. E. Capital E. Why do we write exercise as E? As capital here? Because we are beginning the answer. We begin it with a capital letter E, then small letter X, E-X-E, E-R, C-I-S-E. Exercise. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E. Exercise keeps our body fit. It is there already in the question. You have to just copy it down. Keeps. K-E-E-P-S. Keeps our O-U-R. Our. O-U-R. Our body. B-O-D-Y. B-O-D-Y. Body. Fit. F-I-T. Fit. F-I-T. Fit, and end with a full stop. We end with a full stop. So this is it. This is notes. And along with the lesson, we will be attaching you a worksheet. That worksheet you don't have to write it in your notebook, children. That worksheet is just for you to practice at home and to learn. Okay, so what you have to learn? You have to learn the words to learn. You have to learn the question answers and the worksheet. But writing in the notes, you will only write words to learn and question and answer. I will send you the photo of this notes also, so it will be helpful for you. If you can't follow what I told, you can pause the video and copy your notes. Okay, so this is it for this lesson. Next, I will meet you in the next video with your new lesson. Till then, please take care of yourself. Thank you.